Hi gorgeous, how are you? Today I want to share with you my own way of doing the viral latte makeup look. It is a very trending makeup look on TikTok and basically it is another version of bronzy makeup. I'm very excited to show you how to recreate this. I have used only affordable products, and before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. I'm posting videos every week. Get the band on. The first step for this makeup look is glowy skin, and I'm gonna be using today the e.l.f. Hello Glow Liquid Filter. I have it in the shade 1 Fair, and this is gonna give a very beautiful glowy finish to the skin. It's not greasy or oily, it looks very natural and a little bit smoothing. You can also use a hydrating primer and a liquid highlighter, mix them together to create the same finish. This primer gives a very light glow, as you can see. It's gonna look perfect for this makeup look. And now I'm just blending it with my sponge. You can also use your fingers. So I'm going to continue now with the Age Perfect BB Cover by L'Oreal, and I have the shade Light Ivory, and this is also gonna give a nice glow to the skin. This is one of my favorite foundations by L'Oreal and from the drugstore, and I'm going to place this all over the face. And then I want to show you how you can create the beautiful bronzy glow. There are a few ways to achieve beautiful bronzy skin, and for me, because I have a lot of redness on my skin, it is better to apply first a foundation and then contour my face and make it bronzier. For concealer, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 10. This is one of my favorites. It is a very creamy concealer and it doesn't crease during the day. Also, it is one of the most affordable drugstore concealers, and I'm also applying some on the sides of the lips, the chin, and also the forehead. And I'm tapping with my wet sponge. For the eyes, we're gonna be doing a matte dark brown smoky eye look, so it's not so important to apply a lot of concealer on the eyelid since we're going to blend darker eyeshadows. It is more important to cover the dark circles on the under eye area especially, or any discolorations that you have. Now let's continue with contouring the face and giving more color. I'm gonna be using the Essence Baby Got bronzing stick in the shade, oops, I almost dropped it. Where is the shade? The shade is 10 Cinnamon Spice. I really like this bronzing stick, and it gives a beautiful warmer brown color to the skin. It is easily blended, and as you can see, I'm applying all over the forehead, the cheekbone, and also the jawline. And with the side of the bronzing stick, I'm gonna try to contour my nose. So I'm applying on the sides, and also I'm creating like a small circle, a little bit the sides of the nostrils as well. And this way I'm gonna give a more pointed up effect to my nose. Now with the clean side of my sponge, I'm blending the bronzer. The reason that I'm using a clean side of the sponge is because I want this intensity of the bronzer. This is basically the whole essence of the makeup look. For me, it is the best contouring bronzing stick. I wish they had more shades though. Ooh, it blended so nicely. I'm loving it. Very lightly I'm tapping. I don't want this to go everywhere. I want the contouring lines to stay there. And the application of the bronzer is basically the base for our powder bronzer. I'm going to use this palette here. No, it's not this. Okay, this one. It is the Bronze Your Way by Essence, and it has 3 beautiful bronzers. I'm gonna be using this one here that looks super dreamy on top of this one. You're gonna see in a while. Now I'm going to set all of the face products with the Invisible Matte Loose Powder by Catrice Cosmetics, and I'm going to set everything because I don't want crease lines, and this powder also gives a light smoothing effect. I don't have very deep crease lines here. If you have, blend them and then set with the powder. And as you can see, I'm using tapping motions with my powder brush, and I'm using a flat brush, a flat fluffy brush. Say that 3 times. Of course, don't forget the neck. You don't want all of the cream products to transfer on your clothes. Now I'm blending the crease lines on the under eye area and also on the eyelid because we're going to set here as well. I'm using a fluffy brush, and definitely try to find a very soft brush. You want the softest bristles for your eyes. Like an advertisement. Don't forget the other eye. Following that, I'm gonna be using the Essence Bronze Your Way bronzing palette, and I'm going to take this shade here. It is called Major Bronze, and it is a gorgeous shade. Golden, bronzy. With my brush, I'm going to apply this on top of the bronzing stick that we have applied before, and this has a golden sheen, so we're not gonna use a highlighter because this is already super highlighting. I'm going over the forehead as well and the jawline, and I want to give more depth, so I'm going to add this beautiful shade as well. This one, it is called Downtown Bronze. You can also mix them and apply them on your face. The best way to apply the bronzer is to touch your cheekbone here, and right on top of it apply all of the products so you don't drag all of your face features down. Touch your cheekbone so you can see where to place your products. With a smaller brush, I'm taking the matte shade. Oh, I have a little fly here. Go away! And now I'm going over the contouring that we did. I'm also blending towards the inner part of the brows. I'm creating a small circle now. And to give that bronzy look to my nose as well, I'm taking now the shade Major Bronze. And I'm going to add this exactly on the bridge. After that, I'm taking the Essence Choose Your Glow highlighter palette and the shade Major Glow. This is a light yellowy champagne eyeshadow, and I'm going to add just a tiny bit on the tip of the nose to give dimension and make the nose more pointed up. I'm blending a tiny bit with my fingertip because I don't want the highlighter to be very intense on the nose. I want it to be like my natural glow, very similar to my own skin tone. I have here a tiny butter gloss by NYX in the shade Tiramisu, and this is what I have from the beginning of the makeup application. I'm going to add a little bit more because I covered the color with the foundation products. This was in the Barbie collection by NYX. I have posted a video recently testing those products. I'm gonna have a link in the description box below. And the next step for the viral latte makeup look is fluffy brows. Oops, okay, I have no q-tips here. Just a sec. I'm back with a new box. With the q-tip, I'm cleaning my brow hair. And now I'm taking the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil in the shade Deep Brown. This is one of my favorite drugstore brow pencils. And I'm going to start with the arch. I want to keep the natural shape of my brows and also give them a fluffier look. I'm very excited about the eye makeup because I don't usually do that type of makeup look on me, and I found some very nice affordable products that you can use to achieve this look. And to give the fluffy look, I'm gonna be using the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara in the shade 2 Brownie Brows. I always forget what shade I have. The brows are not a major part of this makeup look, but you definitely need to define them. For the eyes, I'm going to use similar shades that I have now on my face, so we can have this monochromatic effect. And also I'm going to be using matte eyeshadows. I'm going to start with the Maybelline Tattoo Liner Gel Pencil in the shade 911 Smooth Walnut. This is a very creamy eye pencil, and I'm going very close to my lashes. I'm also applying some on the eyelid. This is gonna be the base for the matte eyeshadows. Now I'm blending with a synthetic brush. It is always better to use synthetic brushes for creamy products because it is gonna be a lot easier to wash them. I'm trying to blend the product inside the lashes, and you want to apply and blend at the same time before going to the other eye, so the eye pencil doesn't set on the skin and it can be easier to blend it on the eyelid. I'm also blending a tiny bit with my fingertip because I applied on some areas more product. I'm going to apply some product on the lower lash line as well. Very gently I'm stretching the skin and I'm applying in the waterline and a little bit between the lashes. It doesn't matter if you're not very precise because we're going to blend it out. And I'm taking the same brush, this one is by Essence, and now with the side of it I'm going to blend out the product. I have some very beautiful matte chocolatey brown eyeshadows in this palette here by e.l.f. It is the Bite Size eyeshadow palette in the shade Pumpkin Pie, and I'm going to start with this beautiful shade here. I'm taking now an eyeshadow brush and I'm tapping this all over the eyelid. Oh, it looks delicious. I'm trying to tap this inside the lashes as well, so we don't miss any spots. With the tip, I'm blending the remaining product that I have on my brush inside the crease. And again, you don't have to be very precise because we're going to apply more product in the crease. I have hooded eyes. My skin is folding here and I always need to apply the same eyeshadows in the crease or crease colors, and I'm taking again the same eyeshadow and I'm going now in the crease area. I never do completely matte eye looks because I really like shimmery shades on my eyes, and today I'm getting out of my comfort zone. It's very weird. Let me know in the comments if you like monochromatic looks, matte looks. I don't usually do them. I'm taking some more eyeshadow to make it more intense. The reason that I didn't apply the brown eye pencil by Maybelline in the crease is because I want the area that is darker and stronger to be near the lashes and then give like an ombre effect that is going lighter towards the crease area. With a smaller brush, I'm taking again the same eyeshadow. This is an angled fluffy brush, and with this one I'm going over the lower lash line. Ooh, it looks so nice. And I also bring it inside the outer corner to connect all of the eyeshadows together. To give some more definition to my lashes, I'm taking now the darkest brown shade of the palette, and I'm also using an angle brush. This one is an eyeliner brush by Essence, and I'm going very close to my lash line. This step is super easy because you don't have to be precise, and it is very fast to create a line here. I'm taking again the Maybelline eye pencil that I have used as a base, and I'm going to apply some in the waterline. This gives more definition to the eye shape. Even though I want this eye look to be completely matte, I need to apply a little bit of shiny eyeshadow in the inner corner, and I'm going to take again the bronzer palette and the pencil brush, and I'm going to apply this bronzy shade in the inner corner, and that brings the whole makeup look together. I don't want to apply a lot of this eyeshadow because the whole point is matte. I'm loving the eyeshadows, and now we need super volumized lashes, and I'm gonna be using the Maybelline the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara in 01 Black Oops, wrong way. And I'm starting with the lower lashes. Now I'm going on the upper lashes. This mascara gives a nice opening effect. Let me know, do you have a favorite volumizing mascara? I'm adding some more on the outer lashes to elevate the eyes. Now that I have finished with the eyes, I need to apply some more bronzer. We can see that it's not so noticeable in comparison with the eyes, and I'm taking again the same bronzer palette, and this time I'm going in the darkest shade. This one is called Tropical Bronze and it has a lot of fallout. It is a very soft bronzer, so be careful. Now I have bronzer all over my t-shirt, and I'm going to apply this closer to my ear. I'm also adding this very close to the hairline. Very lightly I'm touching on the bridge. Oh, that looks so cute. For this version, I'm not going to add blush. And now let's go to the lips. I found some super amazing brown sultry lip products by NYX Cosmetics. And first, I'm going to remove what I have on the lips, the butter gloss. And now I'm neutralizing the outline of the lips. I don't want any redness. I'm removing the excess with some tissue paper. And now let's start with the lip pencil. This one is the Line Loud Lip Pencil by NYX in the shade Total Bowler. Weird name. With this one I'm going to outline the lips. It is the perfect chocolatey brown shade for this eye look. I'm starting from the center of the lips and then I'm going towards the outer corners, and then for the upper part I'm starting again on the center and I'm creating like an X, and again I'm drawing towards the outer corners. So this is a very creamy lip pencil, so don't worry about the X. Now I'm going to apply some on the outer corners to create an ombre effect, and I need a lip brush, so just a sec. Found one. This one is by Essence, and I'm blending the edges now of the dark brown pencil on the lips, also the outline on the center of the lips. Then the next product is the Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi by NYX again. And this is a beautiful brownish shade, and I'm going to add this on the area that I don't have the brown lip pencil. And on top of this beautiful chocolatey lippiness, I'm going to apply the butter gloss in the shade Madeleine. Again, this is by NYX. And I'm adding this on the center of the lips. I'm loving the finished result, and I have also done one more bronzy smoky eye look that you can find in this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!